Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an admin to your YouTube channel. First of all, from your YouTube, click on the profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. So if you don't know how to go to YouTube Studio, when you click this, it brings you exactly to YouTube Studio. So from here, you click on Settings. From Settings, you go to Permissions. And then from Permissions, you go to Invite. And then you put the user email of the account you are inviting to be an admin. Then you click on Select Access. So we have manager, editor, and different other levels of roles. The manager means that is the highest form of access you can give to someone, followed by editor, and then in that order. So manager can view everything, manage permissions, go live, create, edit, and delete content. But the editor can view everything, go live, and create and edit content, but cannot manage permissions or delete content. Yes. So I'm selecting manager, then click on done. When you click on done, and then you click on save, they will ask you to verify that you are the one authorizing. So you click on next, and then you indicate, you put your password and click on next again. Then they will send you a code to prove or to show that it's you authorizing it. Then the prompt will go to your phone, so you approve it, and then it is done. The person will just accept it and will automatically become an admin of your channel. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and if you have any problem doing this, you can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us. See you in the next video, and bye.